ang tinatawag ba nilang pagmamahal ay para sa lalaki at babae lamang? Posible kayang magkagustuhan ang magkapareho ng kasarian? Inihahandog ng BE-Ed Production. Pinagbibidahan nina Odessa Cuenca, Jayan Martinez, Angelo Ordonez, at Marvin Binoman.
Ang gwapo pa rin ni Mike. What is love and sometimes never stay long. And what is kissing this time mean you be gone.
Gusto ko na magpakasal kay Mike.
Why does gladness become sadness? Things that I don't get. Someone's always saying goodbye. I believe it hurts when we cry. Towing apart, it's never so easy. And with all the aching's inside, I believe some hearts will survive. Trying hard to pretend, though I'm gonna be fair.
Nalilito na ako sa nararamdaman ko.
I could never really love someone else but you. I have never wanted anything else but a love so true. But just like a dream that comes in the night, in the morning you were out of my sight. Turn away from me.